Good morning to all. I hope you all do well in this rainy day. Anyways, today we're gonna read a little book and it's called Our Boat. I hope you can see this. On Sunday afternoon, the sky went very dark. Then the rain came down in a great wet drops. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, sang Emily. Emily, right here. But it didn't work. The rain came down even harder. How boring! Another dull day indoors, said Emily. Looking at all the water gave Emily a good idea. I know what, she said to her brother David. Let's build a boat. Come, we can make a huge ocean liner, asked David excitedly. Look, here is the funnel. And here is something to keep the storm out, said Mom. David blew up some life belts just to be on the safe side. We must have a flag, said Emily. Otherwise, no one will know who we are. They should see this all right, said David. He was holding that football scarf. Can you see the scarf? They were ready to go. Prepare for cast off, ordered the captain. Hold a moment, you have a late passenger, cried Mom. It was Teddy. Soon they were off the sea. Set sail for Australia, commented the captain. I see seagulls and flying fish, shouted David. It was a long way to Australia. So the sea began to get very rough and the ship started to toss and turn. Teddy felt seasick. Then David saw something very worried through the porthole. Help! Help! Pirate ships approaching! She shrieked. Captain Emily went rather pale. If they catch us, we might never get home, she said. We must turn the ship around. Then they steamed away as fast as they could, but the pirate ship was getting closer all the time. The pirates are catching up, cried David. They look very frightened. I think we had better to stay below deck with the passenger, said the captain firmly. The next moment there was a loud noise. There is a pirate on board, squeaked David. Ahoy there, my hearties! Boom, the pirate. Phew, it was only my dad. You are under arrest, said Emily, and so they make him walk the plank before tea. And that was the end. See? Well, I hope you like this book and tomorrow we'll probably read something different. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me. Bye.